Welcome to our channel. If you are actively dashing and need to temporarily stop receiving delivery orders without ending your Dash session, follow these step-by-step instructions to pause your DoorDash. Step 1. Open the DoorDash Dasher app on your smartphone while you are currently in an active Dash session. Step 2. Look at the main screen of the Dasher app. You will see your current Dash timer and delivery information if you have an active order. Step 3. Locate the pause button on the main Dash screen. This button is usually prominently displayed and allows you to temporarily stop receiving new orders. Step 4. Tap the pause button. A menu will appear asking you to select how long you want to pause for. Step 5. Choose your pause duration from the options provided. Common options include 10 minutes, 35 minutes, or until a specific time. Select the option that best fits your needs. Step 6. Tap Confirm or OK to activate your pause. During this time, you will not receive any new delivery offers, but your Dash session will remain active. Step 7. Use your pause time to take a break, grab food, use the restroom, or handle personal matters. Your Dash timer will continue running during the pause. Step 8. When you are ready to resume accepting orders, tap Resume Dash or simply wait for your pause timer to expire. The app will automatically resume sending you delivery offers. You can pause multiple times during a Dash session as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.